You get a text from your boss that just says, "Can we talk?" And suddenly your brain goes into overdrive. Instantly, your mind jumps. Am I fired? Did I mess something up? Is something seriously wrong? In seconds, you've imagined 10 different disasters, none of which have happened yet. Meanwhile, your boss just wanted to share good news about your project. So why does your brain always jump to the worst possible conclusion first? It all starts thousands of years ago. Your ancestors lived in a world full of real, deadly threats. If they heard a rustle in the bushes, assuming the worst, a predator kept them alive. Being wrong about danger cost nothing, but ignoring real danger, that cost everything. Scientists call this negativity bias. Your brain is literally wired to notice and remember bad things more than good ones. Studies show we respond more strongly to negative images than positive ones, even when they're the same intensity. Today there are no lions, but your brain treats a passive-aggressive email the same way. Your brain's alarm system, the amygdala, fires before your rational mind even gets a chance to think. One negative thought leads to another, and suddenly you're imagining the absolute worst outcome of everything. And this isn't a one-time thing. Your brain does this automatically, constantly, every single day. Here's the good news. Once you know about this bias, you can start to change how you respond to it. Step 1, just notice it. When your brain jumps to the worst, pause and say, "There goes my brain again." Then ask yourself, is this thought realistic, or is my ancient brain just being overly cautious? Replace the catastrophic thought with something balanced. Not forced positivity, just a fair possibility. Over time, practicing this rewires your brain, making you less reactive and more in control. Your brain assumes the worst to protect you, but knowing that gives you the power to choose something better.